you came to know about these things. Yes, you came to know about the 4 different types of waste are there, and how we can reduce the waste, and what type of waste we have to keep in which dustbin. And also we came to know that there are 2 different waste. Yes, in rural the waste will be different, and in urbans the waste will be different. So next, what is waste? Answer: the material which is worthless, defective and of no use is called waste. Yes, the material which is of no use, that will be calling as waste. Write any 5 things that you throw as waste. They write the 5 waste which you throw, like plastic bags, bottles, vegetable and fruit peels, paper, leftover food items. Yes, other than these there are different materials which you throw as a waste. What do you do with the waste generated at your house? What you will do? You will throw. Yes, you will throw here and there, right? No, then you will dispose it in public dustbin. Yes, there will be a dustbin, you will dispose there. What would happen if there is stagnant water in front of your house? Yes, the stagnant water is nothing but the waste water is collected in an area. What will happen? Yes, if it is there, then there will make the mosquitoes to live and grow in it. Yes, because now only we studied that mosquito and housefly is yes, what they said. Yes, that was the the stagnant water is best to live and lay eggs. So we should not leave to collect the wastewater in a place. So stagnant water should not be there in front of our house. 5th one, how do you dispose of your old books? Yes, what you will do with your old books? You will tear it and will throw? No, then yes, you will give to your friends, brother. Yes, some of you may, yes, in your family they may sell to the people, yes, who will be taking the waste plastic material, books, old newspapers, all those things. Yes, so you should not waste it. Collect the address of the department that is responsible for the proper disposal of waste in your locality. Write it here. Yes, there will be a different departments to collect it. So Department of Garbage Disposal, Gulbarga Municipality. Yes, there will be a municipality who will be having the responsibility to dispose the proper disposal of waste. 7th, make a list of uses of waste. Yes, you have to make a list of uses of waste. Answer: decaying waste can be converted into compost that can be used to grow plants. Yes, now only we saw that in villages what they will be doing. Yes, in villages they will be making the compost. Where in the same way in cities, yes, they'll take the municipality will take the all the waste away from the locality and it will dump there and make the compost which we can use as a fertilizer in our field. New things can be prepared from used plastic, glass and paper. Yes, we might have seen. So there are different materials has been made. Yes, tree used it, making the new item. Yes, new things from the old thing. Used water can be used to water plants. Yes, the waste water which we already used, we can make to flow in to the plants. Identify and write. Yes, we have to identify it and write. I throw waste here and there. Yes, it is good now. We have to throw the waste here and there. Correct? No? Yes, it is wrong. So I throw waste in dustbin. Always throw the waste in dustbin. I will give the dress that does not fit me to others. Yes, if the dress is not fitting to me, then you have to give it to others. That is right. I collect plastic covers and use it whenever needed. Yes, you should collect the plastic covers. Now only we saw that the ant is telling, yes, if once you are used the plastic covers, don't throw it. You can use it whenever it is needed, so that there will not be more, again they will not make more plastic covers and there will not be more wastage of it. So I collect plastic covers and use it whenever needed. I collect damaged plastic materials and give them to the people who buy old things. Yes, you should give to the people who will be buying the old things. So it is right. I throw hazardous waste into composite pit. Yes, is it good? Compost pit. Compost pit, why, what we will be doing? Yes, we will be using it as fertilizer. Yes. What is hazardous waste? What it contains? Yes, it contains the paint. Yes, it contains the paint and it contains the poisonous, yes, poisonous material. So we should not dump, we should not throw into the compost pit. So it is wrong. I throw the hazardous waste into dustbin. Yes, the separate dustbin is there. So you have to throw it in dustbin. So type of waste, just in this slide you can see type of waste, what type it is and what do you do. So first one, piece of snack. Yes, you will be having the snack, some pieces will be there. Yes, then what you will do with that, what type of waste it is. It is a dry waste. So what you will do, you will throw it in dust bin. Yes, you will throw it in dustbin. Second, paper. How the paper is? Paper is dry waste. What you will do with that? You will give to the shop who buy the old papers. Yes, there will be a raddi wala. You might have heard this word. Yes, you will be, yes, in your home, your family members, they will sell the all the raddis. Yes, including your old books. Yes, old newspapers. All these will be sold to the person. So give to the shop who buy old papers. Tea leaves. Yes, after making a tea, there will be a leftover will be there, that is a wet waste. So compost them. Yes, you can use as a fertilizer, you can compost them. Rotten fruit. Yes, the fruit which is, yes, now you can't eat that fruit. Yes, it decomposed. So what you can, yes, it is a wet waste, so use in a manure. Yes, you can compost them. Fifth one, plastic materials. Which material, which type it will come? It is a dry waste, so give it to rag picker. Yes, the rag picker, what they will be doing? Yes, they will be collecting all these pieces of metals, rags, yes, plastic. Yes, to them you can give. So in the next page you can see do it yourself. Now we will do an activity. Okay, take a bottle. Yes, I am having a bottle. This is a plastic bottle. So take such bottle which is of no use. No, don't take the used one which is useful one. Don't take that which is waste one. Take that bottle and fill up to here the mud. Yes, you have to fill the mud. So up to here you can see the mud. Yes, so what you can add? So I am adding in that plastic and pieces of paper. Yes, there are different pieces of paper I am putting in this. Again the waste material. Yes, waste material, kitchen waste, vegetable skin, fruit skin. Yes, if you are having put that in this bottle. Yes, after that again whatever waste you are having at your home, you just dump in it. Again take the mud and cover this water with the mud. Yes, if you are having this much mud, yes, waste material, what all the waste material will come? Tell me. Plastic, paper, fruit and vegetable skin. Yes, and yes, milk pouches, all those things will be there, no? So you just dump it. And also the garden waste will be there, no? The leaves, yes, in your garden leaves will be there, leaves. So you can put it in it and cover that with the mud. Yes, after that sprinkle some water in it. So you have to sprinkle the water in it. So after that you just close the lid. You should close the lid. So now this bottle you have to keep for 3 weeks. Yes, how many weeks? For 3 weeks. What you will get? So you have to see it. Yes. So when you will be, this process is calling it as decaying. So in this, which material will be decayed fast and which material will take time to decay, time to compose? That you have to make the 2 different columns. In the first column, decaying, fast decaying materials. Yes, like now only we studied that skin of vegetable and fruit. Yes, it will be decayed fast. So that you can write in that column, fast decaying material. Slow decaying material, which one? Plastic. Yes, it will take time to decompose. So you have to keep the lid closed and see after 3 weeks what will happen. Yes, this is the. So there are materials which are, some are fast decaying and some are slow decaying. Yes, in this only you can see the activity. Yes, now only we did an activity. Yes, that result you tell me after 3 weeks which material has been. Yes, after 3 to 4 days you just open the bottle and see which has been decomposed and which have not. And one thing, the bottle should have little, is a small hole you make in the bottle so that the proper ventilation, yes, the air should be, flow of air should be there. Yes, so a small hole you have to make, so a proper air ventilation should be there. So observe the 3 to 4 weeks, then what will happen, you have to say to me. What did you learn from this activity? Yes, no doubt this will take time. Yes, this will take 3 to 4 weeks, but we might have saw, in generally we have saw, yes, from many days of a plastic is laying there only, will it get decomposed? No, it will be there like that only. So it is late decaying material, so we should not use more plastic. What did you learn from this activity? Fast decaying materials can be used as a compost for plants. Yes, like plant leaves, vegetable peel, fruit peels, those all we can use as a fast. Yes, we can use as a compost. Next, do it yourself. So what you have to do? Collect the waste. Yes, you have to waste collected from your house. There will be a waste material in your house. You just collect it and don't keep it like that only in front of your elders. Yes, you just do it once. So you have to classify but do separation which is decaying and which is non-decaying. So the plastic is it's not a slow decaying, it will non-decaying. Yes, it will not decay at all. So whereas paper will decay. So always, yes, now the rules has come, we have to use the less plastic because it will take 1,000 years to decay. Yes, very slow. So we should not use more, plastic. So again observe their size. So 3 to 4 days. Yes, if you compose this composition within 3 to 4 days, you try to saw it. So how the size of the leaves, yes, vegetable peel, and the size of plastic, whether it will be same or different, you just observe it and try to write it. So definitely the smell will come because from 3 to 4 days the waste has been collected, and non-decayed materials on non-decayed materials, mosquitoes and all these things will be sitting and they will grow there. So students, in page number 106, yes, do it yourself. Dig a pit of half meter breadth and 1 meter depth in the corner of your school. Yes, in corner of your school. Where if we were in school, then we would have did it. So what you have to do? So in your home, yes, a small place will be there. No, in the corner. If place is not there, so that the same thing is there. Like in bottle, how we collected. First we put the soil and then all the materials. After that, soil we kept. The same way here, what you have to do? Dig a pit. Yes, you have to dig a pit of 1 meter depth in the corner of your school. Yes, in your home you do it, and in that what you can collect? You collect the leaves. Yes, dry leaves, grass and pieces of paper, and put all these in pit. Sprinkle some water on it, then spread some soil on it. Yes, after that you have to spread the soil. The same way how we did in the bottle, the same way we are doing in a, yes, in the school garden or in your home. So put the waste generated daily in your school in the pit, sprinkle some water and spread some soil. Stir the waste. Compost will be ready in 3 weeks. Put it to plants in your school garden. Prepared compost near your house also. Yes, the same thing you can do in your home. Yes, dig a one pit. In that you put all the waste. Yes, the waste material will be there. Not all the waste means which will be decayed, not the plastic. You should not see in the, yes, what we did in the bottle, we put at the plastic also, whereas here we should not put any plastic because it will not decay easily. So all the waste material, the kitchen waste, all those things you have to put, and then put a soil on it and then sprinkle water. After 3 weeks what you will get? You will get compost. So try to do it yourself. Next, the same way do it yourself in the page number 107. So what you have to do? Take eggshell. Yes, take an eggshell of empty. Make it, yes, empty. Make it empty by making a small hole at the top, and now fix a cap of an eye or a ear drop bottle. Yes, you have to. There will be a cap. No, there will be a cap will be there on ear drop bottles. Yes, that cap, it will look like a cap only. So you can take that and take out that, and you can place like how you can see in your reader in page number 107. Turn the whole egg upside down and fix this cap on the opposite side. Take a cardboard, cut in the shape of wings. Yes, you should take a cardboard and cut in the shape of wings and color it in black. Fix them on either side of eggshell. You have to fix in either shell of your eggshell. Yes, put 2 black dots on either side of the cap with the black pen and as a eyes of a penguin. Yes, which you can see in your reader. Your penguin is now ready. So I hope you will try at your home. Yes, you should, yes, try to make a penguin at your home and do it yourself. Rain cap from plastic. Yes, take a plastic sheet which is 2 times area of your head, so that you can place on your head. Fold the sheet into 2 plates of 2 inches each. Join them together. Yes, the ends you take and by pleats keeping a cloth strip and stitch it together. Your rain cap is ready, which will protect you from the rain and heat. Yes, I hope you will try it at your home. By taking the egg, with that you can make a penguin. Yes, next you can make a penguin with that. Penguin from eggshell. Take an egg and empty by making a small hole in it at the top. Now fix the cap. Yes, you have to fix a cap on it, like a cap, nothing but a bottle cap you can take, and fix on a top of the shell, yes, empty egg shell, and fix this cap on the opposite side. Take a cardboard and cut in the shape of a wings. Yes, you can make a wings by cutting a black color paper which you will be using in drawing. Yes, fix them on either side of a eggshell and put the black dots on. Yes, now in the picture you can see it is made up of egg only. Yes, either side of the cap with the black pen as eyes of penguin. Your penguin is ready. Use it as your house decorate. Do it yourself. Rain cap from plastic. Yes, from plastic you can make a rain cap. So this one you will be getting in your YouTube. Yes, you just whenever you will be getting time, you just see it once how the penguin will make from egg shell. So similarly you might have did, yes, in your classes only you might have did the old by taking the old plastic bottles. Yes, by using them. Pen stand you can make and flower vase. Do you know we can convert and use about 70 to 80% of the total solid waste generated in our country into manure. Yes, we can use the 70 to 80% of the solid waste in the form of manure. Yes, which we can use as a fertilizer to our field. New materials are made by recycling glass, metal and plastic materials. Yes, now only we studied that by using the materials. Yes, new materials we can make by using the old glass, metal and plastic bottles. Packaging of some products cost more than the products themselves. Yes, the packaging will cost sometimes. The packaging, the outer packaging will make such a attractive. Yes, here only if you saw some, see, one of your friend brought the tiffin box with a Doraemon shape, then what you will do, you will ask your parents to bring it the same. So the same way the packaging of some products will make you to attract, so it will cost more than the product itself. Every year innumerable number of sea animals die due to plastic waste. Yes, how can you tell me? Yes, in TVs. Yes, in TVs you might have saw that there will be plastics has been thrown in the river, in the sea. Yes, where the animals will be living, sea animals, water animals, they will be living in sea or river. So when we will be throwing the plastic waste, yes, due to that there are innumerable, yes, many number of animals are dying every year. If cotton cloth take 1 month to decay, nylon take 500 to 600 years to decay. Yes, if a cotton cloth, yes, the cloth which is made up of cotton will take 1 month to decay, whereas nylon, yes, nylon cloth will take the 500 to 600 years to decay, whereas the plastic will take more than 1000 years to decay. So we should not use more plastic. When do these things decay? Yes, there is a chart has been given. See it carefully. They are telling when do these things decay. Yes, there is in the first one banana peel. Yes, it is a fruit peel. So it will not take more time. It will about 3 to 4 weeks it will get decayed. In a month paper bag will decay. Cotton cloth in 1 year. Woolen socks, yes, it will, yes, cotton cloth 1 year. No, it will take 1 month. Yes, now only we studied it take 1 month, whereas woolen socks, yes, the socks which are made up of woolen, it will take 1 year. Yes, in the same way there has been given a different materials. Wood will take 10 to 15 years. Leather shoes, it will take 40 to 50 years. Yes, tin, yes, in which all your, yes, different materials will come. No, the food materials, it will take 80 to 100 years. Yes, think about that, how much time it will take to decay. Aluminum 200 to 500. Handkerchief, yes, nylon, yes, the nylon cloth. Now only we studied how much time it will take. 500 to 600. The plastic bottle, yes, you will be having the plastic bottles, yes, the nice different shapes plastic bottle. You will ask your parents to buy for you. So how much it will take? It will take around 1000 years to decay. Yes, bottle, yes, the plastic bottles and the shells of calm permanent. Yes, there are some permanent are there. Yes, some of the things which will not decay only, it will be there forever on earth, which is dangerous. So we should not use more such type of things. So take down homework. I hope you understood the lesson. Take down homework, right, answer the questions. Yes, here we have yes, I have given the answers, question answers. So write it twice, 2 times. Write 5 decaying and non-decaying materials. Yes, you should write the, at least write the 5 decaying, 2 non-decaying materials. It will be more than enough. Yes, write about how you help to your family to keep home clean. Yes, you should write how you will help your family to keep your home clean. Yes, when you will keep your home clean, your school clean, then this society will be clean, and it's our duty to keep our world clean. Future of our planet is in our hand. Yes, who are responsible for all these? Human being, we are responsible. So it's our duty to keep our world clean, to keep the planet clean. So I hope you understood the lesson. Thank you.